Ever wondered why the sound of rain can be so soothing? It's all about the white noise effect. Picture this, rain gently drumming on the roof, creating a consistent and steady sound that covers all frequencies we can hear. This is what we call white noise. It's like a sonic blanket, wrapping us up and drowning out jarring background noises that could disrupt our peace. So the next time you find yourself listening to the rhythm of the rain, remember, it's not just water hitting the ground, it's a symphony of sound frequencies working together to create a calming white noise effect, a natural lullaby, if you will, courtesy of Mother Nature. Enjoy the tranquility.